In this tutorial, I will show you anchor point tool in Adobe Illustrator. So let's jump into this. So you can access anchor point tool from here. Just right clicking and anchor point tool with which keyboard shortcut is Shift+C. So I am accessing it. Anchor point tool switch between anchor point types to make angles or curves. So to demonstrate this tool, I am drawing a rectangle and a perfect circle. So I am accessing this tool. You can see when I am hover over this line, the tool is active now. So I am clicking here, nothing happened because convert tools are here, convert buttons are here. So this is corner edge, I am curvy edge, I am making the corner to curvy edge smooth. So I am clicking here and see this is converted to this corner point, converted to curvy anchor points. So now if I click here, single click, it will again convert it to corner point. Okay, so I hope you got the point. If I am undoing it, if I am clicking this handle, this will make it corner to this side, this part of the shape, and then I am clicking here, it will make it straight for this part. You can also see I am clicking here, it will make the curvy part. If I clicking here, you can see it is converted. Actually this tool convert the anchor point types. You can also see when I am hover over in the shape, it will show a handle. So I am clicking here and you can see that it will drag this shape to the inner side or upper side. Okay, so I am clicking here again, it will make this again straight and it will make this again straight. So that was the for this anchor point tool. If you learn something from it, this is a very straightforward tool. If you feel that this video is helpful to you, please subscribe my channel. Keep editing.